We are at the Mahalia Mullins Cabin, located near Sneedville, Tennessee, at Vardy Valley. We wish to thank the caretakers of the cabin and other buildings as they granted us access, even though some restoration was taking place. Come along with us as Dave will read the information boards that are located around the property.
Mahalia Mullins Cabin. The Mahala Mullins Cabin was originally on top of Newman's Ridge, almost directly behind where the cabin sits today, and inaccessible by car. In the 1990s, the cabin was owned by Dan Williams, formerly of Vardy Community. Williams donated the cabin to the Vardy Community Historical Society with the agreement it would be moved to this site. The relocation and reconstruction by VCHS was completed in 2000. The mid-1800s cabin is constructed with popular hand-hewed logs with dovetail joints. The structure consists of 4 dwelling rooms, 2 downstairs and 2 upstairs. Each downstairs room has an immense fireplace of native mountain stone, enclosed during the 1920s to provide additional room. The dog trot was used to do the weekly laundry or to rest peacefully outside without being completely exposed to the element. It was restored to the original state during reconstruction. The artifacts inside are donated items from descendants of early settlers and Vardy School alumni. They include household furnishings, cooking utensils, and tools from the 1800s and early 1900s. During the mid-1800s, this house was the home of Mahala Mullins, an affluent Melungeon woman. She bore 20 living children with her husband, John. 6 children died in infancy or early childhood, having a disease called elephantitis. She may have weighed over 600 pounds. She earned a living making and selling moonshine. Legend has it that revenuers visited her often, destroying her stock of moonshine. However, due to her size, they could not get her out of the house. Hence the phrase, catchable but not fetchable, was coined. When she died, her bed was boarded up to make a casket. And for whatever reason, the chimney and wall on the east end of the house were not intact, and she was removed from her home through the fireplace opening for burial. This cabin was home to several other families until the 1950s. Quoted from the original document in the possession of Eddie Mullins of Muskogee, Oklahoma. Obituary of Mahalia Mullins was born March 30th, 1824. Deceased September the 10th, 1898 at age 74, 5 months and 10 days. She professed faith in Christ a while before her death and called for Johnny and Reuben to give her their hands that they would not meet her in heaven. She told Stephen Gibson if she was never permitted to shake his hand in this world, she would shake hands with him on the other side. Signed, XX.
We wish to thank everyone for watching our videos on the Mahalia Mullins history boards. Thank you for watching and supporting Kentucky Tennessee Living as we bring to you the lost and forgotten histories in Kentucky and Tennessee.